हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। तो आज हम आ गए हैं 5.3 के बचे हुए क्वेश्चंस पर और आज हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 से। बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है। आज के टॉपिक में सारे क्वेश्चन ऐसे ही हैं। कभी तो हम पोटैटो रेस करेंगे, कभी हम मॉस्किटो कॉइल जलाएंगे और पता नहीं क्या क्या। तो फर्स्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं पोटैटो रेस से। एक बकेट ये मेरे पास यहाँ पर है और फर्स्ट पोटैटो ये 5 मीटर दूर रख दिया, सेकेंड पोटैटो उससे 3 मीटर दूर रख दिया, फिर 3 मीटर दूर रख दिया, 3 मीटर दूर रख दिया, ऐसे बहुत सारे 10 पोटैटोज रख दिए। अब क्या क्वेश्चन बहुत जोरदार है। बकेट यहां पर है, मैं बकेट के यहां खड़ा हूं। सबसे पहले पोटैटो यहां पड़ा है 5 मीटर दूर। मैं दौड़ के जाऊंगा, पोटैटो उठाऊंगा और वापस लाके इसमें डाल दूंगा। कितना चला? 10 मीटर्स। करेक्ट। अब पोटैटो यहां पड़ा है दूसरा, मैं यहां से यहां जाऊंगा, कितना चलूंगा? 8 मीटर और वापस लाके डाल दूंगा। कितना चला? 16। फिर ये थर्ड यहां पड़ा है, मैं वापस यहां तक जाऊंगा, कितना चला? 11 और वापस यहां पर डाल दूंगा। कितना चला? एंड सो ऑन। ऐसे चलते चलते मैंने 10 पोटैटोज पॉकेट में डाल दिए। टोटल नंबर 10। अब तो क्वेश्चन कुछ नहीं बचा। S equals to n/2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What's the d? 6 meters. 5, 20, 54. That is 5 into 74. Rough column use करना ही है। 370. It means 370 meters रेस थी। और अगर पोटैटो बकेट में नहीं गिरा तो इज डिपेंड अपॉन स्कूल टू स्कूल। जो जहां पर जैसी रेस करा रहे हैं उनके हिसाब से रूल्स और रेगुलेशंस बनाने पड़ेंगे। बट कुल मिला के इंटरेस्टिंग तो है। इस तरह के बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन हम आज आगे आगे करते जाते हैं। तो देखते हैं। फर्स्ट पार्ट इज an is given 3 plus 4n. It means if we put n equals to 1, then what we are getting? 3 plus 4, that is 7. It means the first term is 7. If we put 2, then what we are getting? 3 plus 4 into 2, that is 8 and 3, 11. Third term, simply substitute 3. So 3 plus 12, that is 15. And now you see that 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. And so on. So yes, it is an AP. The second part is also the same and it's for you. Now, here we want to calculate sum up to 15 terms. Now, when you know A equals to 7, D equals to 4, and n equals to 15. How we calculate the sum? You know very well from the last lecture, correct? So S15 equals to 15 by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. It is 15 by 2, 14 plus 56, that is 70. Answer is 15 by 2 into 70, that is nothing but 35 into 15. And wherever the calculation work is there, where? Yes, on the rough column. So 35 into 15, 525 is the answer. And you have to check the calculation what? Twice. So again, correct. Answer is 525. Now the next sum is an important sum for the board purpose because this time Sn is given 4n minus n square. It means first we have to calculate S1 like the previous sum. So if we put n equals to 1, what we are getting? 3. It means sum of first term. एक गुल्लक में फर्स्ट बच्चे ने कुछ रुपए डाले, बाय द वे 3, तो 3 रुपीज से स्टार्ट हो गया. It means first term क्या हो गई? 3. So S1 is same as the first term. Now S2, sum of 2 terms. Then what we are getting? 8 minus 4, that is 4. It means दो बच्चों का टोटल 4, जबकि पहले वाले ने कितने डाले? 3. It means term number 2 is nothing but S2 minus S1. क्या आंसर आया? 1. S3 means put 3. What we are getting? 12 minus 9, that is 3. It means 3 बच्चों का टोटल 3. If we subtract the total of 2, we'll get the third term. So third term formula is S3 minus S2. What is S3? 3. What is S2? 4. Answer is -1. Now you know first term, second term, third term. So AP is like this. This is AP. Difference of -2, -2, -2. So A equals to 3 and D equals to -2. Now the question says, so many things we have to calculate. First we want to calculate S1 plus S2. So see, what is S1? 3. What is S2? 4. So first answer, S1 plus S2 is 7. Second question says, find term number 2. So term number 2 is already with us. 1. Term number 3 is already with us. -1. Term number 10th. Now from this formula, term number 10th is A plus 9D. That is 3 minus 18 minus 15. Now the question says, find the nth term. So nth term, how we calculate? You know the formula, A plus n minus 1 into D. So answer is 3 minus 2n plus 2. That is 5 minus 2n. So here we write an, 5 minus 2n is the last answer we have to calculate. The next sum is 12th. In this 12th sum, we have to calculate the sum of 40 terms. Multiples of 7, 6. And multiples of 6 means 6 is the A and D is again 6. N equals to 40. We have to calculate sum. It means n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D is again 6. So here 20, 12 and 39 into 6. Whenever there is some calculation work, you have to use rough column. So here it is 20 into 4 and 2, 6, 3 and 1, 4 and 2, 246. Now multiply 246 by 2. 4920 is the answer. Sum of first 40 terms, multiples of 6. Next is very important, the line is between 0 and 50. Between means if we want to calculate between this and this, it means these two not included. We have to start from 1, 3, 5, 7 and last 49. Question is, find the sum of all odd numbers between 0 to 50. It means 1, 3, 5, 7 up to 49. So last term is 49. So first we calculate what is the place of 49. A plus n minus 1 into D. 49, 1 plus 2n minus 2, that is 50 equals to 2n, n equals to 25. Now when you know the value of n, we can calculate the sum. S equals to n by 2, first plus last. Last is 49, first is 1. So answer is 25 by 2 into 50. That is, we can write by cancelling. So 625 is the answer. 625 is the total of all the odd numbers between 0 to 50. Next is a word problem. What word problem? एक कॉन्ट्रैक्टर ने कहा भाई अगर मैं लेट होऊंगा एक दिन काम करने से, then the punishment I have to deposit 20 rupees, 200 rupees. Next day अगर लेट हुआ 50 rupees बढ़ जाएंगे, 250. Next day 300 and so on. So what is the total amount paid by the contractor if he will late by 30 days? कोई काम को करना है तो टाइम पे करना है, नहीं तो punishment. So n equals to 30, 2a plus n minus 1 into 50 rupees fine per day increasing. So 15 into 400 plus 29 into 50. 1450. Correct. 1850 into 15. So 1850 again multiply by 15. He has to pay 27750 rupees as a punishment. Now the next sum is 16th. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to the students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each cash prize is 20 less than the preceding prize, find the value of each prize. Suppose the first prize is rupees A, then the next one A minus 20, next one A minus 40, because decreasing by 20 rupees. But the total sum of 7 prizes is rupees 700. So we can say that 700 is the sum, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Why d minus 20? Second minus first. So here it is 7 into, it will cancel out by 100 and it will become 200. Yes or no? You can cancel out. So 200 equals to 2a, 6 into minus 120. This 2a equals to now 320. So what about a? Rupees 160. So what are the prices? 160, 140, 120, 100, then 80, then 60, then 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the cash prizes. बढ़िया नंबर लाने का marks. Next sum is very important value based question. स्कूल में बहुत ज़्यादा हरियाली लानी है तो हमको पेड़ लगाने पड़ेंगे. क्या प्रोजेक्ट दिया? क्लास फर्स्ट विल पुट 1 tree, class second 2, class third 3 and class 12th 12 trees. This is the project for each section and there are 3 sections. It means we have to multiply it by 3. So first we add all these, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, because class is increasing, number of plantation trees of the, so that's why, and it is s. So s1 is 6 into 2 plus 11, 11 and 2, 13 into 6, 78. But we have 3 sections of each class. It means S1 78, S2 78, S3 78, or you can multiply 78 by 3. What we are getting? 234 trees उस एरिया में एक स्कूल के बच्चे लगा देंगे. What a good job. Yes. Next sum is again daily life related problem. What is the problem? You know, कई बार आपने काम में भी ली होगी. मॉस्किटो है ना, कछुआ छाप, spiral like this. First, this circumference with the radius of 0.5. See, this is L1. Half the circumference of the circle, but radius is 0.5. So half the circumference means pi r. So pi into 0.5 is the first length, that is L1. The second length, this one starting with center B. पहले हमने कौन सा सेंटर लिया? A. तो ये रेडियस और ये रेडियस, आधा सर्कल आ गया. अब क्या हुआ? B को सेंटर लिया तो रेडियस बताओ कितनी होगी? 1. ये भी कितना हो गया? 1. So now B is the center and radius is 1. So L2, that is second circumference, is R is 1 and circumference half, that is 0.5 plus 0.5, that is pi into 1. Third time, this circle. Again, we have to take the center A and radius will become 1 plus 0.5, that is 1.5. So pi into 1.5. Next time pi into 2 and so on. The question is, we want to calculate the total. What is the length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? 13. Total n equals to 13. Now the question is nothing. See, we want to add, but pi is common. So take pi is out. Now sum of 13 terms, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is also 0.5. What a good question. So s is pi into 6.5 bracket, it is 1, it is 12, and 12 into 0.5 it is 6. So it is nothing but 22 by 7 into 6.5 into 7. 7 and 7 cancel out. What we have? 22 into 6.5, and 22 into 6.5 calculation work, and calculation work always needs rough column. So here 22 into 6.5 into answer is 143 meters or centimeters, whatever the unit given to you, it is in centimeter. तो कैसे कछुआ छाप अगरबत्ती यानी स्पाइरल, और हमने उसका कर दिया टोटल ऑफ द. To arrange some logs in this way, that first you have to put 20 logs, pyramid type. Then उसके ऊपर वापस 19 ताकि गिर नहीं जाए. Then again 18, yes, and so on. But we have only 200 logs. The question is, how many rows are possible? This is first row, second row, third row, and so on. How many rows are possible? So starting with the total 200, n by 2, we don't know the number of rows. 2a first plus n minus 1, and d is minus 1. Simple. So it is nothing but n by 2, 40, that is plus 1, and minus n. It is 200. So 400 equals to, cross multiply, this is 41 minus n. So if you expand it, minus n square plus 41n, it is 400. Complete the quadratic equation, standard form, n square 41n 400 equals to 0. Factorize 400, prime factors, 200, 100, 20, 10, 5. Now adjust. 5 into 5, 25, 2, 2, 4, 2, 8, 2, 16. So here we can write n square minus 25n minus 16n plus 400 equals to 0. अब तो डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हैं. Answer will be n minus 25 and n minus 16. That is n equals to 16 or 25. Now the question starts with the important mark. 16 is okay, but how 25? 16 rows total is 200 and 25 rows total is also 200. Just we check. What will be the 25th term and what will be the 16th term? 16th term is nothing but a plus n minus 1 into d. That is 20 minus 15, that is 5. It means the last upper row, 16th row, we have to put only 5 logs. But what about 25th? 25th row, a plus 24 into d. 20 minus 24, that is minus 4. And how minus 4 logs possible? We can say, ऐसा क्या बोल सकते हैं क्या कि ये 4 logs minus के हैं? It's not possible. Hence, this case 25 is not applicable. That means the correct answer is only n equals to 16. ये हमने कंप्लीट करी एक्सरसाइज 5.3 ईपी की अच्छी इंपॉर्टेंट एक्सरसाइज जिसमें डेली लाइफ रिलेटेड बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स करी है. एक बार फिर से प्रैक्टिस करिएगा और अच्छे लग रहे लेसन तो लाइक करिएगा और अपने दोस्तों को शेयर करिएगा. और अगला लेसन टाइम पे मिल जाए उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ता है? सब्सक्राइब करना पड़ता है. ओके, टेक केयर, गुड बाय.